Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. So I'm really feeling this look. I'm feeling it. Like I like the dark lip and you know, I'm liking it. Anywho, so this is a Shein try on haul, but I will be featuring Mychicwigs. And yeah. So this is the box that my wig came in. The wig did come in like a zipper closure bag, but then on the inside you also get a tail comb, and I always find myself needing a tail comb, so this is useful. And then same here with the hair clips. They give you 2 hair clips and an extra elastic band. And then I always need wig caps, and they gave me my perfect color, which is, well, this is the closest thing to my closest color. The closest thing to my color. And I think this is, no, I think this is lighter than the medium brown that I get. I can't really tell. Studio lights in my face. Anywho, only thing I think like all wig companies, including myself, needs to include is a tweezer, you know, just in case you want to customize your unit. So I have the 13x6 frontal lace. That was backwards. So I have the 13x6 lace frontal unit, and it is kinky straight, and it's 18 inches, so it comes to like my boobs. So that's what that looks like. I originally did the 22 inch, but it takes longer for longer lengths, so I settled with the 18 inch, and so far I really love this unit. And I've never tried kinky straight hair, so I was really anxious to try it, and I was like, you know what, because I never try it. I probably tried it once, but I really don't remember. It wasn't memorable if I did, so I wanted to see what it would look like. I didn't really customize the hairline or anything like that, because I feel like with kinky straight, why would I have a sleek part? Why would I have, you know, anything like that? Like, I don't want any part. I just want like a blown out type of feel, like you just blow dried your natural hair. Did like a blowout type of thing on it, so that's why I did that. And I see some people do curls, some people go back and straighten it because they say kinky straight actually has more volume to it and stuff, but I like it in its natural state. As you can see, like under here you get more crinkles. I didn't brush those out, but I did brush out the top, so it, like I said, you kind of get that blow dry straight look, so it looks really good to me. And as far as the hairline, again, I didn't want to do much to it, so I just installed it normally. And I'm gonna try to keep this intro short. If you want to skip to the try on haul, you can, but yeah, I installed it doing the whole popular, you know, when people put the caps on and then they put the got to be and the spray, like they use a lot of it and then they go back and cut the actual cap. So I tried that method today and I like it, and my wig is sticking. Like, I don't want to pull it up because, oh, we real secure. So it's a good method. And I did say, like, most of the time when I put on my wigs, I keep it plain and simple, glue cap wig, not even glue, Gorilla Snot cap wig holding spray, you know. So this method, if you're wanting a secure unit, like, I'm gonna come back and do that method on camera because it is so good. Like, you probably see my scalp lifting. Nah, just kidding. But yeah, it's a good method. I wouldn't do it every day because I don't have time to do that. So anywho, I really like this unit. Again, it's from Mychicwigs. I have the 18 inch kinky straight 13x6 lace frontal unit. That was a whole mouthful. And I'm wearing the medium cap, which is the middle cap, and I always get a medium cap if it's pre-made because it usually fits bigger than what it's supposed to. So yeah, and then it has a comb in the back, 2 combs on the side, and the adjustable bands that you can place in the back of the wig. You guys know what I'm talking about if you wear wigs. And then they also sent the extra thick elastic band, but I don't need that with a pre-made. Thanks for joining. This was Shein featuring Mychicwigs, and I hope you enjoyed my most successful Shein haul ever.